Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Grofers and their sales, which is going to come up within 1 or 2 days. So, Grofers, if you search on the Play Store, you can see it that you can see in the descriptions of the app itself that something is going to come up here. India's biggest grocery sale, guaranteed 100% cashback, and the screenshot of their app. So this is what I'm talking about, the biggest grocery sale of maybe the entire history of Grofers, Grand Orange Bank back days. So 19 to 27 is this offer going on, and you can start booking your slots. Like it is like a sale of Mintra's end of reason sale, something kind of that, where you need to pay some a small fee for. It is a refundable fee here, while in case of Mintra it is not a refundable fee, and there it is some 200 rupees, and here it is 50 rupees. You can pay through Paytm, and you can also pay through other wallets, and like Airtel Payments Bank, and you can get cashback in Paytm and Airtel Payments Bank also, and anyway they will refund it, so there's nothing to worry. So about Grofers, so now that's about this sale that is going to come up. I'll show you the details. Let's install this app, and then let us open the app, and let me show you the coming up sale and how to register for it. What is the terms and conditions? Should you opt for it? Is it a good deal, etc. So guys, I have opened the app, and then I have also entered into the app and logged in into the app. Now you can see that this app Grofers always have some offers like this going on: standard chatter, 200 flat cashback, MobiKwik, that is useless, and a discount with HSBC credit card and debit card, and with Times card you can get flat 300 discount, with Bank of Baroda 15%, and it keeps coming here. With SBI card you have offers, and HDFC cards offer will come. So almost all the cards they will give offers, and it is on a day-to-day basis. For example, SBI card offer is on Saturday, Friday, Saturday sometimes. So and HDFC also comes up sometimes, like Wednesday, Tuesday, etc. So you can just keep on checking here, and the days keeps varying. Now today we are interested in talking about this particular stuff, that is 100% cashback, Grand Orange days. So what is this offer all about? You have a small amount of time left now to join. Let's say 1 day is 13 hours 37 minutes. Already joined around 9.8 lakh people. Around 10 lakh people are going to definitely then join here, and this shopping festival has something in store for you, and the main attraction is 100% cashback. So 100% cash. So this 100% up to 5,000 cashback. So if you purchase products worth 5,000, you will get 5,000 into the Grofers wallet, and that will be valid for 1 year. So if you purchase for 2,000, you will get back 2,000. So that is the deal here. So you have to join now to get, that is, you have to go scroll down, and here you can see the offers that will be coming up for that sale, and that sale will be discounted sale. You have buy one get one free offers, buy two get one free offer, minimum 40% off, minimum 50% off on these many products, and the likely products have also been listed here. So apart from that, you go down, you have a referral code, you can get a discount here, and here you can pay this 50 rupees for joining into the sale with Airtel Payments Bank. As I told you, 25% 25 cashback with that, and with Paytm you'll get 10 cashbacks. Join the sale by paying 50. Shop between these days, get assured 100% cashback. Use this 20% of cashback on every order after 31st January. So once you place an order, let's say worth 5,000, then in the time that is after 31st January is over, that is from 1st February onwards, you can have all this cash, that is 20% of that cash. So suppose I got 5,000 cashback, 5,000 order it is, I can use 20% of it, that is 1000 rupees. So I can just simply use that 1000 rupees for the placing order in the next month or coming months. So it will be valid for 1 year. Is the sign up fee refundable? Yes, it is refundable. Till when a user can sign up? Till 18 January 2019. That is last day is tomorrow. Can cashback be availed in one or more multiple orders? Maximum it can order is 5. It can be availed in many orders. Like, it is not like you have to order only one time and that is like up to 5000. It is like how many orders you want you can place within that offer period. Will I get cashback on orders placed on ghee, oil, etc.? Because these are expensive products and regular use stuff. They don't give usually offers, cashback offers on these. But yes, this time you are getting on oil and ghee as well. What if customer has refunded any item? Yes, final cashback will be adjusted if you refund, if you replace any order. I mean, give it back. Will wallet offers final will be adjusted after deducting cashback. So there may be additional wallet offers also, that will be like payment bank payments offer like Paytm and HDFC, HSBC as we saw earlier. That also may be there when you are purchasing using that 100% cashback offer. So in that case, the cashback given through the bank and discount given through the bank will be deducted anyway while giving you a refund. In which cities are it valid? It is valid in Delhi, Jaipur, Kanpur, Lucknow, and so on. You can see here. Can it be used to purchase the cashback offer? No, you cannot use Grofers cash to make payment for sign up. So you can't use Grofers cash to make this 50 rupees payment. That's what they're saying. Is 20 applicable on use of Grofers cash? 20 is applicable on existing transactional cash, that is refund in the wallet, but not on the cashback. How to use the cashback? It will be valid from 1st February to 31st December and can be redeemed as 20% of the transactional order value of future order placed. So if you are placing order for, let's say, 1000, so 20% of that order, like 200 rupees, you can use from this particular cashback amount. So I'm sorry for that mistake. You cannot use 20% of 5000, which is 1000 rupees for the order, which in that case the order will come completely free if it is just 1000 rupees. So is there any condition on minimum order? No, there is no minimum condition. Is it valid on the all products and SBC subscription? SBC is Smart Bachat Club. Cashback is not valid on purchase of edible oil. Is not valid on purchase of edible ghee and food product. However, it can be used for purchasing Smart Bachat Club membership. Yes, on the membership it is valid. So this seems to be contradictory with the previous thing, that is, will I get cashback? This is actually to get the cashback, that is the 100% cashback. You can purchase ghee, oil, etc. Still you will get the cashback. But after you are done with it from 1st February, that time you cannot use the cashback amount or 20% of the order if you are purchasing ghee and oil products. That is what they are saying. It cannot be used. But you can use it for SPC subscription. Can it be clubbed with wallet offers or other coupon offers? Yes, it cannot be clubbed. So that is one more limitation. 20% cashback redemption cannot be clubbed with bank wallet offers or other coupon offers. What is the validity? Like till the end of 2019. When will the cashback be credited? Will be credited once the order is delivered, within 6 to 8 hours of delivery. And the usage will start from 1st February. So pay now, pay 50 rupees to join. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to make a payment of 50 rupees via different payment options, and you have to pay this and join and book your slot of shopping. So what time you need to purchase? You need to book a slot actually after you make the payment of 50 rupees. So if you are interested in doing online shopping of grocery and related things online, Grofers is a great way to go, and this offer is all the way more rewarding for you. So guys, you can check out this offer if you are interested. Thank you for watching my video and have a good day.